Well, good morning, Delaney. How are you? Hi. Silly girl, do you know you have a puff on your cheek? Let's take a look at that puff. Hey, Stinky, you want to eat it? Yeah, she said, I will eat it, but I will feed myself. Thank you very much. This is Delaney in her high chair. This morning we are eating apples and strawberries for breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. But she, of course, has her own spoon because she will grab mine. Should we hear her call her dog? Laney, where's your dog? She might be a little distracted by that string right there. I'm going to put it away. Eli! Where's your dog? Very good. Call your dog. She calls it a gog, but she is just so smart. She will be 9 months old tomorrow. Hi, baby girl. You see me behind that camera? You see me. You want to play Awa? Yes, it's fun times. All right, we will say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I know you can wave. You love to wave. Okay, get some more puffs, baby girl. Have a wonderful day.